Studying at Sheffield means joining some of the best minds in the world while having a peaceful stay at the Mellor Apartments student accommodation at Edward Street. Offering bright and airy 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, you'll get the very best of an independent living experience, complete with large beds, spacious wardrobes, and storage units. As part of the basic amenities, they offer high-speed Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities, and fully covered contents insurance. Besides, there is the added allure of round-the-year social events. Surrounded by every necessity, this place is ideal to stay while exploring your new university and student life. You can walk down to the University of Sheffield in just 5 minutes and hail a bus to reach Sheffield Hallam University in just 15 minutes. Take a quick stroll to the Efes Turkish restaurant to try their charcoal-grilled fish and meat skewers, while being entranced with their exotic dances. Osman Market is a great place to restock your emergency supplies on weekends. During holidays, plan a trip to the Peace Garden for exploring the water fountains, cascades, and war memorials. Happiness is guaranteed in this marvelous residence. Go ahead and book this place at amberstudent.com.